Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be working on the Rebel again. Yeah, as you can see in here, the garage is kind of a clusterfuck right now. Got the rear section of the exhaust, like the tips. Got the ICI rear bumper off there. Got the front bumper that I need to go ahead and switch out for the Baja bumper that I have on there right now. But actually what we're going to be doing today is just some maintenance stuff. I need to get this thing ready to trade in. So I need to do an oil change. I'm going to clean out the air filter, you know, just some basic stuff like that. But this is also going to be the first time that I'm going to do an oil change and check on the oil catch can that we previously installed a few months back. This is going to be the third video on that. I did an install video, then I did a update video when I changed the oil the first time. But this is going to be, you know, the full 6,000 miles and then check on the oil catch can. So we're going to see just how much oil was collected in this thing. So I'm going to go ahead, get started on this oil change. I've done a video before showing how to do an oil change on this truck, so if you want to know how to do that, go ahead, check out that video. I'll put a link somewhere down here. But we got our filter here, we got our oil, Mobil 1, full synthetic, so let's get this thing done. Alrighty, so oil change is all done. It's legit a 10-minute job, but a 20-minute cleanup. It's super simple to change the oil on these 4th gen Rams. It's just a little bit messy due to the oil filter location, but that's all done. So we're gonna go ahead, check out the oil catch can now, which you can see right up in here. You just gotta unthread it basically. The bottom just disconnects from the top piece. Alright, nothing's dripping. Alright, let's go ahead and have a look. Definitely some oil in there. So, got a little clear cup over here so you can actually see. There you have it. That's how much oil this can collects in 6,000 miles. That's roughly how often I change my oil, sorry. So that's a good amount of oil that you're saving from getting sucked back into the intake system. So definitely well worth it, in my opinion, to go ahead and throw one of these oil catch cans onto your truck. So there you have it. I recommend just draining it every time you do your oil change and, you know, preserve the life of your truck. So now we basically just go right back and thread it back in there. We're still waiting for the TRX to get here. I got quite a few updates for you guys regarding that. I'm going to make a completely separate video, just kind of going over, explaining the whole ordering process, explaining all the updates I've gotten. So for any other prospective buyers out there that are looking to order one, I'm just going to give you my feedback that I've had with the whole ordering process and tell you when I'm expecting my truck. But I think this is going to be the last service that we give to the old Rebel here. She's been a great truck. I've absolutely loved her. Been super reliable minus the air suspension, but I'm going to just chalk that up to me modifying it and fucking with it myself. So yeah guys, stick around for more videos, more stuff to come. I really appreciate you guys sticking around for the whole journey. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Later. I almost completely forgot. The Core 4x4 lower control arms, they are off the truck. We are at 1,800 subscribers now. Hit that subscribe button down below. When we get to 2,000 subscribers, I'm gonna give those away. I'm gonna pick someone random. I'm gonna send those control arms to them. If you don't have a RAM, I'm gonna send you 150 bucks. All you have to do is hit the subscribe button. Pretty simple. All right guys, later.